just testing the volume knob just to make sure that it's functional before we move forward. And we're catching the premiere of Perry Brothers. They have an awesome channel about bike building, and you guys should really check out their channel. It's pretty darn cool. So let's test our volume, shall we?
I'm panicking now. I haven't got any wheels. My wheels went off the powder coat and there was a problem with the blasting. And it was only this morning I got the forks and the yokes back from the powder coat. So I've managed to get that built up. But I'm panicking now. I know I've got weeks till the show, but that's nothing in bike building terms. That's nothing. I shouldn't have to do this. Why have I got to do this?
So as you guys can see, we've installed our EQ trim ring and we've drilled the hole for our volume knob. We need to trim it flush so it's flat on the front and the back. And as far as the trim ring goes, I gobbed the crap out of it with plastic bonder, so it should be good. But right now we need to go ahead and flatten out and smooth these areas. We have it. Volume knob.